Workholding is a crucial service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of specialized tools and equipment to hold and secure workpieces during machining operations. The primary goal of workholding is to ensure that the workpiece remains stable and in the correct position throughout the machining process, which is essential for achieving accurate and precise results. Workholding devices can range from simple clamps and vices to more complex fixtures and chucks, depending on the size, shape, and complexity of the workpiece. One of the most significant benefits of workholding is that it allows manufacturers to increase their productivity and efficiency by reducing the time and effort required to set up and adjust workpieces. With the right workholding tools and techniques, manufacturers can achieve faster cycle times, higher accuracy, and better repeatability, which can translate into significant cost savings and improved quality. At Berkness Company, we understand the importance of workholding in the manufacturing industry, which is why we offer a wide range of workholding solutions to meet the needs of our customers. Our team of experienced engineers and technicians can help you select the right workholding tools and equipment for your specific application, whether you need a simple clamp or a complex fixture. We also offer custom workholding solutions that are designed and built to your exact specifications, ensuring that you get the precise results you need for your manufacturing process. Our workholding services are backed by our commitment to quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction, and we are always available to provide support and assistance whenever you need it. If you are interested in learning more about our workholding services or would like to discuss your specific needs with one of our experts, please visit our Contact Us page on the Berkness Company website. We look forward to hearing from you and helping you achieve your manufacturing goals with our high-quality workholding solutions. FAQs. 1. What is workholding in manufacturing? Workholding refers to the process of securing a workpiece in place during a manufacturing operation. This is typically done using specialized tools or fixtures that are designed to hold the workpiece securely and accurately, allowing for precise machining or other operations to be performed. 2. What are the different types of workholding devices? There are many different types of workholding devices used in manufacturing, including clamps, vices, chucks, collets, and fixtures. Each type of device is designed for a specific application and can be used to hold a workpiece in place during a variety of machining or other manufacturing operations. 3. How important is workholding in manufacturing? Workholding is a critical aspect of manufacturing, as it directly impacts the quality and accuracy of the finished product. Proper workholding ensures that the workpiece remains securely in place during machining or other operations, which helps to prevent errors and defects. Additionally, effective workholding can help to improve production efficiency and reduce costs by minimizing the need for rework or scrap. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.